Ready, boys?
Are we gonna do it here, Kevin?
Let's go.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeremy with 780 Outdoors. We're back out for another snow goose hunt. Woo! Got 4 boys with me. I got Heaves, Mitch, Kevin. We got a northwest wind gusting up to about 38 kilometers an hour. It's freaking cold. It's about minus 11, minus 19 with the wind chill. All the decoys are set up. We're about to go park trucks. Stay tuned, stick with us. Should be a good one, guys. Woo! Woohoo! That was textbook, boys. I don't know.
That was nice.
That's how they're supposed to do it.
I think we should. No. We could have gone for it.
We should do it right now.
Yeah.
Yes. Kill him. We got 1. Did you get 2?
I think we got 2.
Okay.
Kevin will shoot that one on his way back. I'm so cold. I can't even feel the trigger, man.
Dude. They're coming back. These ones are gonna do it right here, guys. They almost need to come back around again, hey?
It's cool.
I'd do it.
Yeah.
Go, boys! 2, 3.
Oh, we got a glider.
We got a sailor.
He's gonna get it.
Load your gun, boys, because it's gonna come back like this single right here. Get ready, boys. Oh, come over here, you little. Whoa, left side, whole bunch. Holy.
We can try it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's let them come around again like the first group.
That first group come in mine. Okay.
Oh, here we go, Kevin.
Yeah. I need to call it?
Wait.
Yeah?
Yeah. Go! Load up, boys.
We can have a work. They're gonna come in.
Run on a sail and go into the water. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
That was really good, actually. I shouldn't have shot at them bottom 3 because everybody shot at them bottom 3.
I took a far one to begin with.
Huh? Look at this single coming, boys. Look at the migrators up there, hey? That was sick, yeah.
There's one straight ahead of me.
Look at this.
What do you want to do? Should we wait?
Kill him. Might as well try them if we already shot.
I got one of that.
I seen that. It's good. Your face is just red, Kevin.
Man, I couldn't hit them worth shit.
We got lots working us up front again too, boys. Bitch, you're all frosty. You're all frosty. Get ready. We're gonna shoot at these. Call it.
Do it, boys.
Nice.
There's 2 more going down back there, boys. You're just hovering over them.
Well, where were you on that? Single coming in. Oh, my hands are so cold.
If he comes.
If he comes over, shoot him. I'm ready.
Fuck, we got 3 coming. There's 3 more coming.
I waited. I can wait.
Just wait.
Poor guy.
Kill him now.
Poor f***ing bird.
Just wait for that single behind. Ready, do it.
Get him.
I'm waiting. Wait, let him.
We should have waited a bit longer.
Yeah.
Load up. These snows are coming back, boys.
That one f***ing hurt.
I see that. He's coming back.
He's gonna drop in. We might bring one more with him.
This is so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, let him
We're
work.
close enough. The single's gonna do it.
There's 3 or 4 coming.
Single land?
No, he'll circle. I think we just pop them.
I think so too.
Look at that, their other 2 are coming with it.
Just wait for it or what?
Yeah, no, let's pop them. I think we kill them.
I think we should pop him too. Kill him.
Kill them, Colin.
Now!
Teamwork! Now! We got another one dropping in, boys.
Right above us.
Get ready. Let them work down, yeah. Oh, this is f***ing awesome. Oh, these poor juvies are gonna die.
Oh man.
Just wait, no, just wait. You gotta be patient, because they're gonna circle around. They're gonna suck a bunch more birds down with them, eh? Oh.
I think I'm over.
I think we do them. Yeah. Kill them. Load up, boys.
Single from the back left shoulder. He comes over.
He's gonna bank in. We still got more working us, boys.
They come back over us, we gotta do it.
Yeah, here we go. Yep.
Do it.
Got one.
One's better than none.
One's better than nothing is right.
There's 2 Canadians there. Yeah.
Once they get straight over us, let's try them. Yeah.
Go, boy.
There, we got them. Those are killable, boys. Don't forget that.
Here we go. Here comes 2 more.
I'm just about through 2 boxes, boys. I think we got to try these 3.
Yeah, they do it together.
Oh we should have tried them.
Okay. They're coming back.
Yeah.
Go, boys!
They're coming down.
Pick up the birds! Look at that snow going!
He's gonna eat dirt.
Where at? There's a
Right, straight out there. He's going to the water. Just landing in it. Right now. Oh no, he's on the edge of the field. That was pretty good. I think we dropped 4.
Right, there's some snows.
Hey, they're still doing it, Kev.
They're still doing it. That e-color is vital though.
Oh,
Man, they just love it.
just let him get over us.
Oh, we got some walking up behind them.
I think we should shoot these.
If they come over, yeah.
Look at that adult right there.
Go, boys!
Holy sh! There's birds that flying there. Oh, look at this. There's one landed right beside me, boys. That was nutty. Oh, I'll keep that goose there.
You hit him.
That was really good, boys. Midday update. I think we got 20, 30, maybe 40 birds on the ground. We've had lots of snows do it. Cold hunt. Our hands are freezing up. Toes are cold. Bluebird sky now though. We're gonna wait it out for a little bit longer here and then pack it up. Stay tuned. Get ready, boys. We're gonna shoot these. Do it. Oh. There we go, Kevin. Oh, turn. There we go. Right side, guys. There's 2 setting up.
Go, boys!
Shoot them. Yep, they could be in the Olympics. Look at that one spin down.
Go!
Whoa! Right in front, boys. You hit him. Oh, he's going down. Oh.
There he goes! Oh.
Yeah, good.
How do we miss them?
We got the bottom 3.
That was one of the bottom 3.
Oh, he got hit.
I think I burnt his face off.
He's dead. He's not sitting up. Those ones did it good. Oh. Here we go, boys. Oh, we're gonna get some ducks, boys.
Go, boys!
I went 3 for 3 there, boys. I just went 3 for 3.
Got the last one.
Okay, well, I went 2 for 3 then.
They're low enough to kill it. Wait.
So,
Better do it.
I clicked. We got all 4, I think.
I got one more too on that back block.
Did you? Right here, Kev. Let's look. I think we should do it. Nope. Oh, I think I got him. Nice, Kevin. Attaboy.
So was I.
Boys.
You gotta let him work one more time.
Oh yeah. Just stay still. Oh, this is so awesome.
Okay, here we go.
Just wait, boys, just wait. This back group here.
Okay, ready, boys?
Are we gonna do it here, Kevin?
Let's go.
Oh, I clicked again. I clicked on my last shot. Look at that one down in there.
There's a couple dropped there, that.
Oh yeah. They're coming back around, boys. Man, that was perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, boys. Get ready, guys. We're gonna get another go at this. I don't know if we want to let them work though.
We're not gonna let them work when they come over. They're breaking.
Well, I don't know. You might have to let them work. Oh, they're coming back. They're coming back. If they come over, yeah.
I think they're gonna work though.
I don't think so.
Let's try them, boys.
Let's try it.
Yeah.
Two more out of a group we shouldn't even have been able to shoot at again. Woo! We had one long wing up that side, feed line there, another wing on this side, not as long. We're picking it up right now. We're just about done. Well, we are done. Two cones in the front, a couple mojos, and they were in our face. We put a little patch of darks there because we talked about how there was darks in here, so we better just throw a few out. They were frostier than heck this morning. It was cold. So pick a few decoys up. Kevin's going to get the truck. He'll give me a ride to mine. I think it's 11 o'clock already, so pretty late. And it's slowed right down. Ducks didn't show up like we thought, but I think we shot 60 or 70 snow, so nothing wrong with that.
As you can see, there's a few on the ground there. But I just want to say thanks for watching. I think this might be the last hunt we have this year. Weather's getting pretty cold up here, and the birds are moving out. Ponds are getting froze over, so I just want to say thanks to all you guys for watching all these videos throughout our goose hunting season. This is going to be the last one, I think. So on to the ice fishing. Stay tuned for those ice fishing video, guys. They're going to be good too. We travel all over Alberta and Saskatchewan and catch fish. Big fish, not small fish, big fish. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a like. Stay tuned, guys, for more ice fishing videos from 780 Outdoors. Peace.
Good world gone bad.